And just like that, we got my boy that just picked me up with the radar. As you guys can see the Transamerica building, we're heading out. Bright and early, as you guys can tell by the sun rising. We're all set to go. Stay tuned, I'm excited for this one. We're both excited. We're not gonna let you guys down on this one.
We go on the beat.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to yet another video. As you guys can tell by the title, we might be bringing a new car to the channel. So we're starting this vlog bright and early. Came to Costco, filling up at the moment. We got Omar over there pumping. So we are a few hours from home. We woke up pretty early. So I woke up around 7. Omar woke up a bit earlier than me because he had to pick me up. Shout out to him. But yeah, we're currently pumping gas. We just finished leaving the Costco gas station as we speak. Shout out to Costco. We'll come back for shopping later. Only shopping we're really focused on right now is car shopping. Road running, hopping on the highway. Let's see if we catch any snacks. I heard this little CRV is pushing like 800 to the wheel, but let's see what's up. Luckily we got the radar. We were making great time with this. We are on our way to go check out the car right now. The radar's going off. I think the cops are onto us. They know we're speeding over here because we're excited. I'm excited. I don't know about Omar, but this is honestly going to be one of the biggest, or apart from the M, another big ad or another big segment to the channel. I'm saying this because this car, it's super hyped in the car community. I can probably speak for Omar and say that, it's his favorite car, a dream car. His dream car, he just confirmed it. It's one of his dream cars. Personally, it's super hyped. It's a beautiful car, I will admit that. For me, I would not mind owning one. I would love to see, the experience behind, the wheel, but also passenger. I know I can speak for Omar in the fact that we've been looking for a while. He's been looking for a while. He has been looking for a long time. The moment I got my M, he got motivated to like start searching for his car. So we're on the same boat right now. And like I said, we're on our way to the car. I'm not gonna speak too much about it simply because I wanna bring it as a surprise to you guys. But if you do not know what car it is, or you might have an idea of what car it might be, pause the video, go down in the comments and comment what car you think we're on our way to go check out right now. Only big hint I'm gonna give is that it's a muscle car. If you guys know Omar, he's all muscle. Anything V8 is him. I don't know, I can't speak for him, but if we get an in-depth interview on him later, he'll explain why. But it's a muscle car, keep that in mind. And it's hyped in the car community. Almost every person knows it, yeah. Almost every age group wants it too. What I mean by that is, like, if you see this car driving, you can expect anybody to drive it. You can expect a female driver. You can expect a retired driver. You can expect a young driver like us to be whipping it around. So, with that being said, drop down in the comments what you think it is. We're like 10 minutes away from this location. I'm excited. I'm holding my energy back. I don't know if you guys can tell, but dang, who would have thought? I guess he wants to have the car, as nice, as detailed as possible. When you're selling a car, you want presentation is everything. I'll say that right now. Presentation is everything. From the pictures to the details to the actual in-person presentation. You show up with a dirty car, kind of shows you don't really care about it. You show up with a clean car, detailed and everything. It's one of two things. You either care about the car, or you're trying to hide something. But in this case, we have a trained eye. We're going in with experience. We know what to look out for. We definitely know, what to catch. If the sun hits the car right, we might just have to unload this whole bag and walk out with a pink slip and some keys. Trying to mentally prepare myself right now.
The fuck is weekend up? There might be on some stupid shit.
Let's do this. We're arriving to the car wash as we speak, and let's talk business. Let's do this. reporting back from the inside of the car. So we are officially in the brand new car. Brand new car meaning like this is a new car for the channel. Hopefully the headliner does not give the car away. I'm trying to hide any small details that might, you know, give it away. I know some of you guys might already know what car it is. Like I said, go comment down below. We made it happen. We are in the new car. It's official. Paperwork has been signed. Pink slip is in our hand. Now, the only thing left to do is really just reveal it to you guys. We're planning on doing it once we get back home. Just waiting to get back home. Just waiting till we touch down in SF so I can show you guys the car. Oh man, if you guys are not as excited as I am, then we might have bought the wrong car for you guys. But I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna be stoked on this one. The reviews we're gonna do on this one, the content, the ride-alongs, everything and anything for this car. It's super hyped in the community and I know everybody wants to know about these cars. Oh my God, we really made this happen though. Oh my God, it feels, it's different knowing that, you know, we achieved this goal of, you know, owning this car, owning this exact model, this exact platform. Let's just cruise back, get home, and we'll go from there. So we have officially touched down in San Francisco. It's official, we're back home. We still have not revealed the car to you guys yet, but that's gonna be the true clue to this reveal. Without further ado, let me roll my window up real quick so you guys can see my face. Let the exposure set in, but yeah, we touched back, we made it, it's official. Man, I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting any longer. Let me reveal to you guys the car in the upcoming scenes and a whole walk around. So thank you guys for tuning in, thank you guys for sticking around. Here's the car for you guys. Here you guys have it. Dodge SRT Hellcat. As you guys can tell, Groovy pulled up. He wanted to be the first to see it. Here it is, 2018 Hellcat. Brembos and all. Your thoughts, sir?
It's a nice car.
Dang.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Tell them what's in store for your car though.
Right now, currently, nothing.
Nothing.
We're still stock.
We're still stock for the time being.
For the time being.
As is this one. Hellcat is stock as well. Parts to come, maybe. Ride-alongs, maybe. But here you guys have it. SRT Hellcat. Let me give you guys a quick rundown of the interior. So interior wise, there you guys have it. SRT, black on black, black on black. We are running some Continental 315s in the rear, some Pirellis, which are, what are these? 275s in the front. If you know the power of this key, then you know what's up with the game. Red key goes crazy. Probably the only key we're actually gonna need when it comes down to driving the car. 707 to the wheel, 6.2 liter supercharged V8. Quick side peripheral. This is it. This is the car. We will be bringing some content for you guys. We'll be bringing videos. A lot of things will come. A race with Groovy, of course. Let's pop the hood, get interior shots and all that, and you know, a little drive along as well. Point of view, and give you guys a little test drive. So the moment, or the piece of resistance, which is under the hood, the beast, the heart, 707. Hemi, supercharged. Sheesh. There it is. If you can tell by the plaque, it's all over the car. SRT Hellcat. You know what this thing is capable of. You know what the hype is about. You know that, you know, these cars make power, and they're definitely comfortable to drive. So there you guys have it, reveal of the car. We're gonna close the hood. We're gonna take Groovy, myself, and Omar on a test drive to see our reactions and see how we, you know, whether we like the car or if we should just return it and, you know, get our money back. Because at the end of the day, No, we're just kidding. Let's go have some fun. Let's go rip this thing. I guess first drive. As you guys can see, Omar is whipping it. We got Groovy co-pilot. And I am in the back. Do not mind the hair. I stuck my head out the window a couple times, so I got messed up. Sheesh. So my initial thoughts for the platform, I mean 707. What more can you get from, you know, straight out the box, red key and all. I mean, listen to the whine. Self-explanatory. If you're a car enthusiast, or even if you're not, you just know the name, you know the platform, you know the badge when you see it. And when you pull up on one and you hear the whine, you know whether or not to mess with it. Like myself, I go and I mess with them. Groovy is another one that likes to mess with them, and is gonna be up there hopefully soon, but I can't speak for him just yet. Ricky, if you're watching this, you're gonna catch these taillights.
Initial thoughts, like Alex said, it's a Hellcat. We do want to show you guys where we started, where we came from, and where we're at now. You see that little G35 over there. If you remember those days, can we get some commentary?
That was the old days.
Those were the old days. That was the high school days. The daily driver. Now we have red keys, 707, twin turbos. We have it all now. Euro with the American, the best of both worlds.
And with that being said, we're gonna bring all of that to you guys. You know, what we love about this car, what we don't like about this car, what we might change, what we may see in the future for modification wise. For the V8s, the supercharged, it's already supercharged, so you know, it's already, you know, not naturally aspirated. Meaning, it's really just bolt-ons, such as like intake, heat exchanger, whatever else might come, exhaust, you know, little things. So let us now take it to the highways of Mexico.
Wait.
Quick point of view. So we can get both of our reactions. I'm gonna sit in the middle seat, although, you know, passing this to Groovy real quick. Let me switch over. You gotta wait, Gummy Bear. Come on, I'm going to the middle. Wait a minute, here she go.
So currently we're trying to merge into your left lane. If you know anything about merging into the left lane, you know.
That guy needs to get his red key taken away.
Needs to get the red key taken away.
We weren't ready for that.
Let's pull the window up. You feel it spinning through the gears. I love that. The only thing I personally don't like is too comfortable. I feel like I might not die. Like I might survive the accident. You know what I mean?
The back seats are cushioned and, you know, I approve them.
The car is super comfortable. Definitely luxury. But like I said, I feel like I'm not gonna die. And we're gonna do another pull, I think. You can hear the downshifting. You can hear the whining at the same time. Let's go. Currently we're doing a 70 roll. And you can see Alex trying to hold on for dear life. You can see me pulling back in the back of the seat. Hey man, what can I say? It's a mini supercar.
It's a beast for sure. The fact that like every car, every platform has its benefits, its ups and downs. I will give it to this car in regards to the ride. You, like Groovy was saying, you don't feel much, and it's stock suspension. And like I said, I think we're on the track mode right now, right? We're in track mode?
Yeah. Track mode, yeah.
We're in track mode right now, meaning that the suspension is stiffened. So yes, we are in track mode. 707, I can see the screen right there, front and center to me, literally right in front of me. But yes, it's comfortable. It just pulls and it just keeps wanting to go. Definitely different from the turbochargers that me, Groovy, and like most of our crew comes from. Supercharger, you know, there isn't quite as much lag. But I will say this, for the turbochargers, the moment you brake boost and you learn how to perfect that, oh, it's deadly. It's instant. Like I said, it's gonna be a great contender for the channel. This is a perfect daily. I would not mind this, you know, to go pick up the kids, to go grocery shopping. This is one of those cars where you can just, you know, like they say, the power is there when you need it. Give me a little downshift. There it is. That Chris just, and the V8. Yo! Man. But yeah, that downshift, something about that downshift, I'm not gonna lie. This video is gonna drop soon. I hope you guys enjoyed the reveal. I hope you guys were down for it. We got Groovy in the mix, getting all of this on camera. Holy. Different ball game. Just imagine when Omar tosses keys to Groovy and then Groovy starts losing his braids.
No, just imagine when I take it over company.
Sheesh. As you guys can hear, another notable difference from superchargers to turbochargers is the whine. When someone refers to the whine, that's what they mean by the supercharger priming up and going into boost. As opposed to turbochargers where you just simply hear the intake and you might hear a blow-off valve once you're relieving pressure.
Or burbles.
Or burbles in this, you know, in our cases. But we're coasting now, we're coasting. Cool little POV from the back seats.
Oh my god, dude, this is not gonna get tiring. Fuck no, it's not gonna get tiring.
The gummy bear say some words.
He's shy.
We won't record you to say some words. How do you feel from going from a CRV to this?
It was like not dead, like fucking.
Louder for the camera, sir.
We're trying to interview Omar, but you know, he's not having it right now. He said let the car do the talking. Drives a Hellcat now, doesn't use blinkers. I thought it was us that Beamers don't use turn signals, but I guess not. I guess it goes both ways.
He's a Beamer at heart.
Exactly, he is, you know.
I've been too many Beamers too long.
That is true. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna leave it at that. More videos to come. Stay tuned. Hope you guys liked the reveal. Hope you guys enjoyed the little content that we had for today. And you know, keep that smile on your face the way Omar has a smile on his face right now, the way me and Groovy have our smile right now. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and like always, keep it authentic, y'all. Peace. With that being said, we're gonna close it off right here. Till the next video, let's see what the future brings for this build. But here it is, you guys. Who would have ever thought?